Ever feel like you're broke before payday, constantly battling overdraft fees, or watching your credit card interest pile up? You're not alone. From gas prices soaring 58% to groceries costing 25.6% more, the system is designed to be expensive. It's not about being lazy. Life just got pricier. With average overdraft fees hitting $35 per incident and top banks collecting billions, it's clear the financial pressure is real for many families. That's where Scissor Money comes in. We're here to help you cut through the noise and trim down the cost of real life, making your paycheck go further. Discover simple, step-by-step bill negotiation scripts for cable, phone, and insurance, helping you save on average monthly bills like $123 for cable or $2,543 annually for auto insurance. We provide free, simple budget templates that require no complex software, designed for quick, paycheck-based planning to manage your $1,240 average monthly grocery spend. And learn powerful AI prompts that actually work, helping you uncover hidden savings, optimize subscriptions, and find discounts you didn't even know existed. Don't let the system keep you down. Subscribe to Scissor Money today, join our community, and let's start cutting your costs together. Your financial freedom begins now.